Hello everyone. I am going to do it's like an oven fried chicken. Use breadcrumbs, and I'm going to make some breadcrumbs. So I've got my small food processor or whatever. It's my boat motor with attachments. Some people may call this deviled chicken, but I don't use the mustard and stuff in this particular recipe. If you want to do the deviled chicken, you can add some herbs and some Dijon mustard in your mix. Okay. It's gonna get loud. Oops, wrong button. And this is just some sourdough bread. It's those crusty pieces. I'm recording. So I'm just gonna dump out my breadcrumbs there. Did you hear him? What you doing? For a whole chicken, it takes 4 slices of bread. So if you want to do a whole cut up chicken, do the same thing. And for me, it has taken 4 pieces of bread. You can do 5 to be on the safe side. I'm doing 2 pieces with this. I'm doing some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Out some of those bigger pieces just because I don't want to destroy your ears. So make your breadcrumbs, and I did that on camera so you could see. A lot of people think it turns into a dough ball, and it doesn't. Excuse me. So clean that mess up. So then, after we do that, I've got half a stick of butter, and let's see if this thing works. This is the grate plate. It's supposed to grate up your garlic clove. I don't see any garlic. I don't know about that gadget. I think I'll stick to my microplane. Don't waste your money, people. So then you take your little brush here. Yeah. I don't know. My garlic cloves are almost gone, but I don't see any garlic. Where did it go? Where did it go? Is it stuck in the bristles? Okay. Back to the tried and true. And you can put already minced garlic in here if you have it. Mince it with a knife, no big deal. I just wanted to see if that thing works. I'll have to do a review on that. It's sucky, sucky. And you can use as much garlic as you like. See, this whole clove is like massacred. I don't know where it went. Must be stuck in that brush. Okay. When the heater comes on, it gets so hot. Okay, now I'm going to melt this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. While that's going, take my chicken thighs and we are going to salt and pepper those. Going to be canning this tortellini. Do you guys want to see that video? Or do you want me to make a video of it? I'm trying not to get everything chickeny. It's so cold here. The weather destroyed my car. Became a swimming pool. Okay, so now we have somewhat of an assembly line. I have the chicken, the butter and garlic, the breadcrumb, and I'm going to do it in this large skillet. You can use a cookie sheet. I just don't have that many that I'm cooking to do the cookie sheet. Smells very garlicky. Oh, and you want to get some Parmesan cheese. So I have some Sargento Parmesan. About a 1/4 cup. In with your breadcrumbs, mix that up. Okay, and take your seasoned chicken, dip it in the butter, dip it in the breadcrumb mixture and cheese. And just keep doing that until all your chicken's done. I have the oven preheated at 400 degrees. And you can use the canned or the craft or whatever Parmesan if you want. Last piece. And then the rest of the butter I'm just going to drizzle. Oh my goodness. It's a heavy pan. Drizzle on the chicken. I'm going to pop it in the oven, and it'll take about 40 minutes to cook, depending on your oven, 30 to 40 minutes. So we will be back when that comes out of the oven. Here we go. There's our chicken. Garlicky Parmesan-y chicken. Black pepper glazed carrots and some broccoli. So there's dinner. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please think about doing so. A thumbs up helps me out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.